Good evening friends, here we will be seeing the XG Boost Regression. This is a simple concept in comparison to the classification in the XG Boost. What we do is similar to the gradient boost technique. First of all, we create our base model. The base model does nothing but takes the average value of our y and make it the first prediction of our base model. For example, I have x and y. I have some series of data here like 1 2 3, and on these input values I have some prediction 4 5 6. So what will be happen? Average will be calculated for this. Okay, so suppose my average came out to be any random value y1. Okay, so what I have get my first prediction, that what my base model will do, that will be y1 y1 and y1. Then what will happen? Residual will be calculated. Suppose my residual calculated here is y2 y3 and y4. Okay, so I have calculated my residual. Then what I will do, I will create a decision tree. In this decision tree I will pass my residual values and I will pass my input features. Okay, and then what I will do, I will update the residuals value so that the residual comes nearest to the zero, so that the difference between the prediction and the true value is minimum. Now in the previous video I have already told you that how the in the decision tree, in case of XG boost, the decision trees are split. It is run on the basis of the similarity score. Okay, suppose we have a parent node, we have this left child node, we have this right child node. So what will happen, when we'll pass the residual, the parent node will contain all the residual values for 1 2 and 3, all the x points. Now suppose I choose that all the values less than 2 to be chosen as the split. So all the values less than 2, their residuals will come here, and all the values greater than 2, their residuals will come here. Now we will calculate the similarity score. The formula for the similarity score is sum of the residuals in the node whole square divided by number of residuals plus lambda. Lambda is our regularization parameter. Now what will happen is sum of the residual square. So we will calculate the similarity score for this, and for this. Okay, then what we will find, we find our gain. Gain will be nothing but the similarity score of left child node, similarity score of right child node minus the similarity score of our parent. So we are done till here. So I have done splitting on some random value here for x. I can choose any value and test which will be best fitting, which will give me the most information gain. That split will be considered the best. Now suppose I came here, this is my child nodes. Now what I will do, I will decide the output, that if some data falls under this category, what will the output, and if some data fall under this category, what will be the output. The output for the nodes here are given by the formula sum of the residual divided by number of residuals plus lambda. Okay, we are completed till here. Suppose this is coming output 1, this is coming output 2. Now the last step which we know is that the updation of the prediction of our model, that will be m1 plus alpha m2. m1 is our previous prediction of the model, m2 is the decision tree prediction, alpha is the learning rate. So we will get a new prediction, y2 prediction, for all these input feature. Now again the same method will be followed till our residual error is minimum. Okay, thank you.